So in terms of like reading the market right now, do you think this is just going to put us in a kind of longer ranging accumulation phase as people try and figure out what's happening?
Yeah, I think we're going to have some sort of shape on the price chart like COVID put. We'll recover. We're going to go sideways. The coins that we dumped out need to be reaccumulated by longer term holders. And then, yeah, it'll take a bit of time. Like, don't think it's going to happen next week. It might take a month or two, which might be, what, like, isn't it? Now we've got a lot more traditional guys in the markets. Summers in the Northern Hemisphere tends to be a bit soft amongst traditional traders, summer holidays. So maybe that'll take a bit of time till that's finished. But it's really too early for me to get a picture of how quickly this thing's recovering. The It is recovering. Like, we saw immense peaks in flows out of the exchanges as we were going below into the 40,000 range, and a lot of coins are coming off. So very bullish on the exchange flows again. And we had a reversal in what I call the Rick Astley indicator. We had, like, as Elon tweeted, we saw strong movements of coins from strong hands to weak hands, meaning those previously strong hands became weak hands. So again, like those guys that bought probably below 40,000 in the bucket loads, held their coins until now. That's my guess. But we had a very much this movement going from strong hands to weak hands, and that's just peaked. And it's starting to swing back. The momentum's starting to swing back to coins moving back to strong hands. The last time I saw a peak of this magnitude was the bottom of the COVID crash. It forms a peak. It was a very exaggerated movement of strong hands getting freaked out and selling, and that's subsiding now. And the last time that happened at that scale was the bottom of the COVID crash. The time before, which was also of that scale, was the bottom of the dead cat bounce in 2018. Like really early in 2018, after the $20,000 top, everyone sold down. We crashed. What was that price? We crashed from 20,000 to effectively $7,000, and then we bounced back up. So that was in those are the two prior times I saw the Rick Astley indicator show that kind of movement between strong and weak hands and then revert. So that gives me another feel for where this recovery is. It looks like it's a lot of indicators saying we're recovering. The coins, the SOPR indicator showing the coins that are what kind of profit the coins are carrying, moving between investors, is everyone that's been transacting now. The sellers they're moving their coins out, selling for a loss, and that doesn't happen very much in a bull market, and no indicator right now saying we're in a bear market. So I think, I think this. I'm pretty sure with all these on-chain metrics that the coins are moving back into strong hodl, like smarter retail than high net worth new to crypto whales. So
Well,
yeah,
I like that idea. I like that idea of these new whales capitulating themselves, panicking, because I guess a lot of them are coming in because they've seen the news, seen the hype, they've bought in, they've panicked, and they've redistributed those to new retail strong hands. I think that itself is bullish. That wouldn't have crossed my mind. So that's a really, really good thing to hear. And I guess these people, that redistribution of coins hopefully would lead to less volatility long term. But with this derivative stuff, it's not happening.
Yeah.
But it still feels like a good scenario.